the Woad flower. This is a new kind of flower for Dolon and us because we are not used to it in India. So now very slowly, this is a very complex flower compared to the ones that you've been making before.
Right.
See, Dolon says that there are 16 parts to it. So, and there are some very small and delicate parts which need very expert rolling. So we're going to slowly show you how this flower can be made. Okay, Dolon, can we start? So first, as usual, she moistens her hand and the clay and then pulls out a piece. So can you just show how much you have taken out? Just show it on your palm. Just leave it on your palm. Yeah. So just put it back. So what I wanted you to understand is the amount of clay. So say this is the size of an average palm. So it's about till here. Okay? Can you see? Okay. Now she's taking out little pieces and making balls. Slow karo. So there are a few larger balls, there are a few smaller balls because the indigo flower has petals of varying sizes. Now what are you doing? You're creating the petals, but okay, so what are you doing here? Can you show it? It has to be flat towards the bottom, not rounded. So that is what she is creating with her fingers. Okay. এটা কি করছো একদম আস্তে একটু দেখো
এই পাতাটা দিদি প্রথমে এই পাপড়িটা করে নিই তারপরে ভেতরের পাপড়িটা
So now she is making the outside petals, 4 of them. So এই মুখটা দেখো ওর মুখটা দেখো Okay, zoom in please.
This is
এবার ভেতরের গুলো করার চেষ্টা করছে, the smaller ones. So this is really difficult because you create that petal shape, but with the edge of your thumb you have to press it so that it becomes in this shape. Flat koro.
এটা একটু ডিপ আছে দিদি
Yeah. So it becomes like a container, a slight small container. Like a lamp, like an Indian lamp.
দিয়া
Slow.
এবার এটা রেণুগুলো
Now the stamens. There are 6 stamens, so now she's making the balls on the top. Can you focus please? And each of the stamens have a little wire. So can you just show this very clearly? Yes. Okay. So the size of the wire is about, some of them are 1.5 inches, some of them are 1 inch. Right. So you can see now all the different parts of the flower have been created. 1, 2, 3. Now there's a central part that needs to be made. It's like a cylinder, but which has a kind of a top rim. And what she's now creating is the whirl that holds the whole flower together. So it's like a little bowl. And how are you making it? Can you just show it? How did you turn it? Can you just show that? So the thumb is pressed in the center and then she just turns it. Can you just do it again? Yeah. Okay. Now the attaching of the flower. Slowly, very slowly. So first, zoom in please. So with gentle pressure, she's attaching. Each time you moisten it a little, be very careful that the clay doesn't dry out. Then it will not attach so easily as she's doing. See now, the flower that looked so complex is ready. In her expert hands, it's very quick, but it will take some trial and error before a person who's doing this for the first time is able to achieve it. So let's have a look at it from the back. It's very delicate at the moment, so it's difficult to move around. Yeah. So we'll just put it down, and with that we finish.